Hello Virgo, welcome to your reading. So this is for May 21st to May the 23rd, no? Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. So nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Pero kung wala po kayong time, meron naman po dito sa video na ito sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo, hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box ng video na ito, may link po yun. No, click the link, you will be routed to my page. And then, nandun po yung form. Meron po tayo for 1 question, 2 questions. We also have a promotion ng 4+1. No? Just make sure to follow the instructions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dito din po yun sa description box. No? Same thing, click the link and you will be routed to my page for the personal reading. Ayan. So, Virgo. Virgo, this is a general reading, all right? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Did I say Taurus? No, this is for Virgo. No, Virgo. Magsimula na tayo. No, Virgo, parang naguguluhan ka, parang sabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto ko munang manahimik. Ayoko muna ng sakit sa ulo, ayoko muna ng gulo, ayoko munang makipag-usap, no? In the past few days, parang deprived ka, no, ng tulog. So baka wala kang masyadong tulog, kakaisip, hindi mo na alam yung gagawin, no? Pwedeng kumakausap na rin tayo ng mga friends natin, no? Humingi tayo ng payo, humingi tayo ng linaw. Baka kaya ka rin nandito, no, Virgo, of course, wanting to seek for enlightenment, no? With the time for a nap here, it's okay na magpahinga, it's okay na isang tabi muna, no, itong mga nangyayari-yari dahil if I'm not mistaken, medyo nandun na tayo, naapektuhan na ang ating mental health. With regards to a lot of questions in here, baka iniisip mo rin, no, kami pa ba? Dapat ko na ba siyang iwan? Dapat ko pa bang i-pursue? Or, you know what, manahimik talaga muna ako, no? I feel like with the 10 of Swords in here, Knight of Swords, the Empress, so parang feeling ko may pride dito na nangyari. Parang meron ding pabigla-bigla tayong desisyon na kumbaga, ginawa, no? With the King of Pentacles in here, feeling ko susuyuin ka naman niya, no? Sinusuyo ka na niya or susuyuin ka na niya, pero you don't know kung talaga bang totoo itong panunuyo niya sa'yo, no? With the Lovers, the 8 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, Virgo, kung meron mang separations dito, whether it is a physical or energetic separation, no? Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different barangay, different barrio. That's the physical separation. Energetic separations, hindi po kayo masyado nag-uusap, hindi po kayo masyado nagpapansinan. Whereas dito naka-block pa. No, susuyuin kayo. And this person is going to work on your connection and your relationship. I feel like may nabigla lang, no? Siguro itong misunderstanding na ito na siguro ang isa sa pinaka-worst na nangyari, pinakamatagal na separation ninyo. Nakakakita ko dito na kailangan lang ng konting time, no? Para maipahinga ang isip, konting time para maipahinga ang katawan. Ang nakikita ko kasi dito with the Two of Wands, sandali lang naman itong separations ninyo, pero magpapaliwanag siya, susuluin ka niya. And I feel like meron nga ditong regalo. It's either material, no? Or pwedeng pagkain din yung favorite food mo, or something energetic na gagawin ko na yung gusto mo, no? So, makikipag-ayos naman siya, makikipagbate, at aayusin itong relasyon ninyo. So, this is your reading for now. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign, no? Virgo, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Gemini, Pisces, I'm also seeing Taurus, baka kaya Taurus yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Sagittarius is also here. So, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, no? Don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, doon po yan sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Pwede rin po kayong magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And meron din po tayong form, no? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, make sure to follow the instructions. We have form for 1 question, 2 questions, up to 5 questions. Actually, we have a promotion, no? 4 plus 1. So take advantage of that. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun din po yun sa link, no? Sa description box. So, thank you so much, Virgo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hi Taurus! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Taurus for May 21st to May the 23rd. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and please hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yun. No? Pero kung hindi niyo po matsyempohan ang ating live sessions, well, dito po sa comment section, pwede naman kayong magtanong. No? As long as yung question nyo po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, Taurus, kung feeling nyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy, no, doon sa yes or no, might as well fill the form. No? Meron pong form para makapagtanong kayo. Nandito po yun sa description box. So, you need to click the link. You will be routed to my page. You can type in your questions and then click nyo po yung submit and then follow the instructions. No? Meron po tayo dong good for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1. So a total of 5 questions. No? And Taurus, if you also want to book a personal reading, meron din po yan sa ating description box. So, magsimula na tayo, no? Or before anything else, this is a general reading po, ha, Taurus? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, check what's only yours, no? Or take what's only yours. Taurus, ang relationship na to is in and out, no? Minsan oo, minsan hindi, minsan mainit, minsan malamig. Ayan. Taurus. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, kahit ganun pa man yung sitwasyon, no, merong isa ditong biglang, kumbaga, at first mukhang lokohan, mukhang nagjo-joke-joke, pero pagbalik nito, sasabihin nito, sandali, parang ready na ako talaga. Like, final answer na, no? Ready na ako sa relasyon natin, no? Ang naaano ko lang dito is parang baka mamaya magdalawang isip ka, no? Kasi parang sasabihin mo, naku, narinig ko na yan. Lumang tugtugin na yan. Yan yung mga sinasabi mo dati na may mga pangako ka, hindi mo naman siya tutuparin, no? Taurus. Kasi parang sa'yo, paulit-ulit lang yung mga sinasabi pero hindi naman siya yung totoong nangyayari, no? Taurus with the Princess of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. So parang nakikita ko dito, parang ayaw mo muna siyang bigyan ng um, panahon for now, no? Kasi nahihirapan kang alin ba yung totoo, no? Hindi ko mawari kung alin yung seryoso sa hindi. Hindi naman siya pala, well, baka nga pala joke siya, pero ang nakikita ko dito, ito yung parang tinatawag nating The Boy Who Cried Wolf, no? Ano ba yung istoryang yun? Ito yung parang sa madaming sinasabi niya, hindi ka na naniniwala, no? Hanggang parang siya naman yung napapahamak na with the Wheel of Fortune and the Four of Swords. So, talaga ba may hint ka na kasi ito yung parang wini-wish mo. Ito yung parang sinuggest mo, ito yung parang gusto mong mangyari. Tapos oo lang siya ng oo, hindi naman ginagawa, puro pangako. Pero this time, ito na gagawin niya na nga yung pangako. Pero ang sayo, ay nako, ang sinasabi mo dito is action speaks louder than words. Titingnan ko muna, no, kung talagang kikilos ka. With the Princess of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is clarified by the Judgment and the Lovers. So let's say sabihin natin, kung meron kang doubt dito sa relasyon ninyo, kung meron kang sinasabi mo, ay naku, parang hindi naman siya totoo. No? Um, Huwag ka nang magdalawang isip dahil eto na, katulad ng sinabi ko, gagawin niya na kung ano yung pinangako niya. Meron kang magandang balita actually na ma-receive sa kanya. Parang sa sobrang ganda, magtatanong ka pa rin. Ewan ko ba sa taong to, bakit kung ganun siya, no? Bakit ganun yung ginagawa niya na parang minsan surprise, tapos minsan tatanong mo, totoo ba to? Pala prank, siguro Frank. Pala prank siguro tong taong to, no? Pero this time, totoo na ito. I feel like this connection of yours will be heading into another level of commitment na parang saseryosohin na natin. Meron ditong co-create and the lovers. So nakikita ko parang ready na rin siya to be in a serious relationship with you. No? So Taurus, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign no, ng taong mahal mo. I'm seeing a Gemini, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Capricornus, no? I'm seeing Pisces, what else? Yeah, yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, Taurus, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, doon po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Ayan. So, Taurus, kung gusto niyo po magtanong, as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no, dito po yun sa comment section sa YouTube videos. Pero kung meron po kayong tanong na feeling nyo kailangan ng kaunting explanation at hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po doon link, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. And if you also want to book a personal reading, doon po yun sa description box then. So, thank you so much, Taurus, for dropping by. And love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading or next live. Goodbye. Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading. This reading is for May 21st to May the 23rd. No? Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. And kung hindi niyo po matsyempohan yung live sessions, dito po yun sa comment section sa YouTube, no? Pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. na yan. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo satisfied sa yes or no question, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link, no? And meron pong form. So all you need to do is to click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. Meron po tayo dong form good for 1 question, 2 questions, and meron din po tayong promotions na 4 plus 1 question. No? Kung gusto niyo po ng private reading, meron din po doon po sa link na nasa description box. So, Scorpio, this is a general reading. No, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Magsimula na tayo. No, Scorpio. Merong ibang tao, no, na medyo concerned din naman sa nangyayari sa relasyon natin. And in fact, sabihin natin may kaunti na medyo marites, pero meron din naman na sobrang concerned talaga, no? Ang nakikita ko dito is parang napakaganda na din naman ng mga, sabihin natin, blessed tayo sa ibang kaanak ng ating mahal. Siguro tanggap talaga tayo, no? At yung iba, so hindi naman natin mailalahat. Pero mas maganda na ito, Scorpio, kasi meron talagang against, no? Meron talagang iba na sobrang against, no, sa kinakasama. With the Tower moment, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. So merong separations dito po sa inyong relasyon. Separations can be physical or energetic. So physical separation, the person might be in a different barangay, different bahay, no, different city, state, county, country, different continent, or baka energetic separations ito na hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? So, merong mga nag-a-advise po na balikan na, no? Balikan mo na si Scorpio, no? Kumbaga pinupush. Or, baka nakikipag-usap naman siya kung paano makikipagbati sa iyo. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, there's something that your person is also working at because of the separation and they need to talk to somebody. Pwedeng kaibigan mo, or mga pamilya mo, no? Or katrabaho mo. Meron din ditong katrabaho na kinakausap with the Devil card and the Five of Swords clarified by the Two of Swords. So parang nagising ito kasi sabihin natin may pagka-narcissistic itong person mo dati, no? Kaya kayo nagkaroon ng separations. So parang ngayon, ay hindi ko na siya uulitin. Pwedeng pakisabi, no? Sa kay Scorpio na hindi ko na uulitin, magiging matino na ako, no? With the Five of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Four of Cups. So ang nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, with the Five of Wands, parang sinasabi niya dito na tigil na natin yung away. Medyo madiliin na natin, no? Kasi with the Four of Cups, parang sinasabi niya rin dito na wag mo naman akong deadmahin, no? Feeling ko talagang merong rejections dito coming from you na sinasabi mo na, I know, ayoko muna ikaw kausap, ayoko muna ikaw na makita, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka pa ready, no, makipag-ayos kay person mo, Scorpio. Dahil hindi rin biro yung ginawa niya with the Devil card in here. Baka meron kang nakita rin dito or nabalitaan na may ginagawa siya behind your back. Pwedeng nakikipag-inuman sa mga ibang barkada, no, na hindi naman nagpapaalam sa iyo. Pwede rin itong vices, no? Pwedeng, yun nga, bisyo, to a point na baka nga meron siyang ginagawang recreational, substances, no, na na-shock ka naman. So para sa iyo, your person crossed the line at hindi ka pa masyadong ganun ka-ready. Pero humihingi siya ng kumbaga ayuda or tulong, no, doon sa mga taong malalapit sa iyo. So ito ang iyong reading for now, Scorpio, no? So tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng mga taong mahal mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing here Pisces, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Capricorn, no? Yeah, that is your reading for now. Scorpio, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Kung gusto niyo rin po ng sumali sa ating live sessions, by all means, no, kabilang channel po. Scorpio, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section ha, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy dun po sa form, no, there is a link in the description box. Click that link. You will be routed to your page, to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So this is your reading for now. Love and light. Namaste po, and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye. Hello, Sagittarius. Welcome to your reading. This is for May 21st to May the 23rd. Now, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong isang reading doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo po na sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel din po iyon, no? Kung wala naman po kayong time, no, para makasali or hindi niyo maabutan, sa comment section po, no, ng video na ito, pwede po kayong mag-ask ng question as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay po? Pero kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy, alam niyo sa sarili niyo na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, so sa description box, no, ng video na ito, there is a link, no, a form wherein you can click that link. You will be routed to my page, and then you can type your question, follow the instructions. So meron po tayo doon na pang isang tanong, dalawang tanong, and we have a promo, no, na 4+1, no? And kung gusto niyo rin pong mag-book ng personal reading, so meron po, no, sa link din ng comment section, ng description box na ito. So Saggies, I would like you to know that this is a general reading. All right, so you may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Ayan, so magsimula na tayo. Saggies, bakit parang lately gumaganda ang takbo, no? Or gaganda na ang takbo since this is for May 21st and the 23rd. So parang yung mga ini-imagine nating mga bagay, no, dito sa relasyon na ito is parang paano na siya payari na, no, or mangyayari na. Kasi ang nakikita ko, your person starting to give attention, affection to you, no. It may not be yung biglang buhos, no. Kumbaga sa ulan, ambon-ambon na, no. Pero the good thing here is at least that your person is reciprocating the love, no, the attention, the affection, or whatever abundance that you are giving your person. With the Fool card, the Strength card, and the Seven of Cups. Oh wow, lalo na doon sa mga, sabihin natin kahit na bago pa to, or kahit kakasimula nyo pa lang, no? Nakakita ko na, sabihin natin, merong konting pagpipigil, no, na ipinapakita, pero kumbaga kahit anong pigil mo, no, ika nga nila, kapag lalo mong pinipigilan, lalo siyang nagmamanifest. So it may not be the same way na katulad ng sinasabing mo or ine-expect mo, or katulad ng ginagawa mo with the Seven of Cups, no, maraming pwede siyang gawin, no, marami siyang pwedeng ibahagi sa iyo. With the Seven of Cups as well, ang nakikita ko dito is parang maraming bagay kayong ginagawa, no? Either you or them or baka busy lang talaga din kaya din hindi maibuhos, no? Lahat-lahat ng pwedeng gawin. For a few numbers of you, I'm also seeing here na baka meron kayong age gap. So it may be literally the age or it may be, sabihin natin parang the maturity, no? It may not be the age, but the maturity of the person. The Nine of Wands, the Devil card, and the Two of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko dito, medyo panandalian itong ipapakita niya, no? With the Two of Swords. Kasi bigla niyang ma-realize, no? Na, nagiging masyado akong soft, masyado akong nagpapakita ng response. Well, at least, meron ditong sabihin natin na reciprocation katulad ng sinabi ko sa ginagawa mo, no, or ginagawa niya with the Two of Swords. Parang nga kasi ditong sasabihin niya, ayoko munang ipahalata, no? So, ayaw ipahalata ng person mo na meron siyang nararamdaman sa'yo or parehas na kayo ng nararamdaman. With the Ace of Swords and the Star, pero deep inside, ang nakikita ko dito, alam mo, parang nandun ka na no? Nandun ka na sa pedestal. Kumbaga, wala na rin, inamin niya na rin sa sarili niya or tinanggap niya sa sarili niya na, wala na rin makakatibag, no, dito sa person ko, or kay Sagittarius, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, parang kahit medyo madamot siya, no? Kahit madamot siya na sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo na pag-express ng kanyang love, number one ka, no, sa kanya. I think na medyo konting hilot lang dito sa relationship na ito at bibigay na rin siya, no? Ang zodiac signs na nakikita ko, it may be your person's sun sign or it may be a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing here Aquarius, Taurus, Capricorn, Leo. Leo is very dominant. Aries. I am also seeing water placements, no? So this is your reading. Again, para po dun sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences at nagla-live din po tayo. Kung gusto niyo po na magtanong sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo satisfied sa yes or no question, there is a link in the description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. And if you want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Sagittarius. Hello Pisces, welcome to your reading. This is for May 21st to May the 23rd, For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun din po yan sa kabilang channel. Pero kung wala po kayong time, no, at wala po kayo, hindi niyo matsyempohan, dito po, no, sa comment section, dito sa reading na ito sa YouTube, no, pwede po kayong mag-ask ng question as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, meron naman po tayong form, no? Dito sa description box ng video na ito, meron po dong link. All you need to do is to click the link, you will be routed to my page sa aking website. Nandun po ang form. So we have 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 + 1, no? So you can type your question on the form, click the submit button, and follow the instructions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun po yun sa description box as well. So Pisces, This is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Pisces. Simulan na natin, no? Bakit parang feeling mo itong relasyon ninyo, hindi mo alam bakit bigla kayong nagkaganon, no? Um, the next day, bigla na lang wala, no? The next day, kumbaga hinahanap mo siya, um, wala kang matandaan na meron kayong mabigat na pinag-awayan na basta bigla na lang siya naging missing in action, no? Kasi parang sa'yo, ang ayos-ayos naman namin kanina, ang ayos-ayos namin kahapon, wala akong, kumbaga nararamdaman na problema na biglang mag-a-arise, no? And then was the serendipity in here, probably sa'yo, hinahanap mo siya sa isip mo, no? Pero wala ka pang ginagawang action. So, kumbaga nag-aantay ka, baka magpakita din siya, no? Kumbaga nandun ka sa part na hindi ka nagte-take ng action. The action that you're only doing is to wait, no? For an explanation. With the Princess of Swords, the Hanged Woman, and the Seven of Wands. So, naniniwala pa rin tayo at nag-hope, no? Now, someday sooner na itong person na ito is mag-show up and mag-explain. Pero, on the other side, so ito yung dalawang side ng Pisces. Yung isang side, umaasa yung isa, sinasabi, no, you need to let go. With the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So, as you can see, this is a different energy. Ito medyo okay, ito mabilis. And magkatalikod talaga sila, kaya ka naguguluhan. So, ito ang sabi nito, no, go to the left side and then go to the right side, medyo bilisan mo. Tapos ikaw nandito sa gitna with a Hanged Woman. Ano talaga yung gagawin ko? So parang litong-lito tayo kung ano ang magiging decision natin. Kasi nga, wala rin naman tayong clarity dahil hindi tayo binigyan ng either closure, hindi tayo binigyan ng pagkakataong maintindihan kung ano yung nangyari, ano yung reason bakit siya nawala. With the Five of Wands, the Justice, and the Three of Cups. The Five of Wands in here is the Hierophant and the Three of Wands. So I think ang nakikita ko ditong pag-iintay mo, so tama lang na nag-aantay ka at wala kang ginagawa kasi magpapakita siyang muli with an apology. Pero, eto na nga kahit sabihin niya yung apology, parang hindi mo pa rin makuha bakit ganun yung naging reaction, bakit ganun yung magiging decision niya sa buhay. Although bibigyan mo naman siya ng chance at hindi niya na yun gagawin, no, with the Three of Cups in here, parang magkakaroon kayo ng celebrations dito and you're gonna put the connection into another level of commitment. Pero sana hindi na maulit itong basta missing in action kasi your person has the tendency of bigla-biglang nawawala, no? Unless may lahi siyang kabute, di ba? So, this is your reading for now, Pisces. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo, no? I'm seeing here Cancer, I'm seeing Libra, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm Scorpio, no? So, yan ang iyong reading for now. So, Pisces, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. And kung feeling ninyo, hindi kayo tiyempo sa live sessions, dito po, no, sa comment section dito po sa video na ito, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, meron po tayong question form, no? Just click the link, you will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. If you also want to book a personal reading, no? Meron din po yan. So, sa description box. So, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Pisces. Hello Libra, welcome to your reading. So this is for May 21st to May the 23rd. So Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell para po ma-notify tayo every time na tayo ay nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? So, Libra, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, don't forget to click the subscribe button dun sa kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV, no? Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. So nagla-live din po tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No? Libra, kung wala po kayong time o hindi niyo na chitsyempohan ang live sessions din sa kabilang channel, then pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa video na ito sa YouTube, sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, sasagutin po natin yan. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, we have a link for you to click, no? At pwede nyo i-type doon ang question ninyo. Click the link sa description box. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and click submit. No, meron po tayo dong form for 1 question, 2 questions. We also have promos of 4+1. And if you also want to book a personal reading, meron din po yan sa comment section. Sa description box. So, Libra, no? This is a general reading. No, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Libra, ang nakikita ko dito sa nangyayari ngayon, no? Bakit parang nababagalan tayo, no, sa mga sitwasyon? Gusto nating medyo, sabihin natin, bilisan ang takbo ng mga pangyayari, no? I'm not sure what's with the sense of urgency na kailangang bilisan. Kasi siguro merong mga time na lost, no? Merong mga bagay na hindi natin nakukuha agad-agad, no? Pero parang ang nasasabi mo dito, gusto ko lang kasing malaman kung mahal niya ako talaga, no? So, kumbaga meron tayong fino-force somehow, no, na gustong mangyari or gustong makita or gustong marinig. Pero so far, what I am seeing in here is you're not on the same pace, no? Na sinasabi natin o yung takbo ng relasyon. Yung isa, siguro ikaw yung nagmamadali o yung person mo ang nagmamadali, but it doesn't matter. Yung isa dito is, sabi niya, bagal-bagalan natin ng kaunti, no? Libra. With the Queen of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Princess of Cups. So nakikita ko dito, merong separations ng konti, no? It could be physical separation or it could be energetic, no? Parang isa dito sinabi na either ready na ako to put this connection into another level of commitment or ready na akong magkaanak. So parang nabigla, no? Parang bakit mo naman ako binibigla or bumuo ng family, no? So parang sabi niya, oh wait, no? Kaya ba natin? So yung isa nasa practicality, no? Yung isa naman nasa love. So that's where the connection or the disconnection is happening. With the Four of Swords, sabi nito, no, bagal-bagalan muna natin. Are you sure, no? Kasi parang, hindi ba tayo nabibigla? Kakayanin ba natin? We have a lot of things to consider. I think kailangan dito ng masinsinan na pag-uusap. If hindi naman ito yung pagbuo ng family, no? Nakikita ko naman dito is yung parang mag-live-in na tayo, magsama na tayo, kausapin na natin ang magulang natin, no? Ipagtapat na natin or let's make this official. For a few numbers of you, pwede itong LGBTQIA plus no relationship. So sabi ng isa, no, let's keep this as yung secret muna, no? With the 10 of Wands, the 10 of Swords, the 5 of Swords. Nako, parang isang matinding discussion ito. I feel like you're not really on the same boat, no? Iba ang path ng iisa ang destination, sabihin natin. Pero magkaiba kayo ng bangkang sinasakyan. Yung isa mabilis, isa mabagal. I think because of this, I am seeing a long period of separation, long period of silence, kumbaga. Again, the physical separation, the person might be in a different city now, state, county, country, different continent, different barrio, different barangay. No, ang hirap ngayon magkaroon ng communication. Ang hirap ayusin kasi parang hindi kayo masyado talaga nagkakaintindihan ngayon, Libra. No? Libra, um, are you ready to have this silence? Kasi nakikita ko if hindi magbibigay ang isa sa inyo or hindi pakikinggan yung isa, I'm seeing you might gonna prolong the agony of waiting or being with the person again. No? Kung sino man yung binabasahan ko ngayon, whether it is Libra, whether it is the cross watchers, no? Or yung person mo na, yun nga, cross watchers na nanonood sa Libra reading, um, ikaw yung kinakausap ko, might as well compromise, no? Or probably talk this out. Get a win-win situation or win-win solution para hindi masyadong matagal, no? Itong separations ninyo. So this is really your reading for now. Let's check, no? Yung zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. Well, I am seeing here Taurus, Sagittarius, Leo, no? Pisces. So yan ang iyong reading for now. So Libra, para po sa inyo na mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, no? Meron din tayong reading doon. And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box, no? Magtanong po kayo ng yes or no sa comment section. Sasagutin po natin yan. Pwede po kayo magtanong through form. So love and light, namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Libra. Hi, Leo. Welcome to your reading, and this is for May 21st to May the 23rd, no? So Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, no? Meron po tayong Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome, no? So, kung wala naman po kayong time, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa video na to sa YouTube as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question. So alam niyo na medyo mahaba. There is a link on my website, no? Click the link on the description box and you will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. Just follow the instructions. So meron po tayo itong pang isang tanong, pang dalawang tanong, and we have a promo of 4+1, no? And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. Just follow it, follow the instructions. Ayan. So Leo, this is a general reading, all right? So you may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Ayan. So, Leo, parang nakikita mo dito na hindi man umaamin itong si person mo na ganun na rin ka hindi, no, yung kanyang nararamdaman. Pero hindi kasi din napipigilan eh, no? Nakikita pa rin no, kung gaano siya ka-concern sa'yo, no? Pero kasi pag tinanong mo, love mo ba ako? Yung parang pabalang yung sagot. Parang ayaw niya, parang medyo nahihiya siyang sabihin, aminin, no? Nakikita mo na rin na siguro ito na yung makakasama ko. Siguro ito na yung endgame, no? Siguro ito na ang taong panghabang buhay para sa akin. For a few numbers of you ba kasi sabi niya, soulmate kami kasi madami kaming similarities together. With the Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Ten of Swords, for a few numbers of you, meron kayong separations dito, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different barangay, different barrio, no? City, state, county, country, different continent, ano, ang energetic separations, ito yung parang hindi nag-usap, hindi kayo ngayon nag-uusap, to a point na may naka-block, no? Hopefully hindi naman. So parang medyo na kinakabahan ka because of the separation, no? Mahal pa ba niya ako, no? Yung ganon. Pero nakikita mo naman, kapag may kailangan ka, nandun lang siya. I don't know what is happening with the Ten of Swords, the Star, and the Emperor. Naku, may matigas ang ulo dito, no? May pagka-bossy, no? Itong person mo. And I feel like, para siyang bata na kailangan susuyuin pa, na kailangan aamuhin pa. So, I feel like kailangan na parang gusto niyang binibaby siya, no? Yung ganong mga drama with the star in here also. Siguro naiinis siya dahil yung attention mo, no, is parang either busy ka, hindi mo siya nabibigyan ng masyadong time. So I'm seeing here age gap, no? Well, for a few numbers of you, if this is not age gap, then probably we're dealing or talking about the maturity of the person. What I am seeing in here with the moon card, with the full card rather, so meron ditong parang kahit na kung ano man yung estado niya sa buhay, no? I jump into being risky, no? Pero ngayon, ang nakikita ko kasi, wala namang third party. Parang may napagod lang, no? Napagod lang, probably ikaw, or napagod siya, dahil masyadong intense, overflowing with the Ace of Cups, no? Overflowing ang love na nakikita ko dito. I feel like na meron pang heightened energy kung ano man ang tampuhan na nangyari dito. It just need or requires a little rest, no? And makikita ko babalik na rin ito sa dati. So meron lang tampu-tampuhan, no, nagtatampo pa siya kasi nga nawawala yung attention mo sa kanya. And parang nagpapapansin, no? Nagpapapansin itong personal Leo. So, ang zodiac sign na nakikita ko dito, it could be Aries. I can also see, it could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, and Aries. Aries is napaka-dominant, no? So, this is your card or this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto nyo po ng sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel din po yun. Pwede kayong magtanong, no, dito sa YouTube video sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung meron po kayong mga sabihin natin, hindi kayo masasatisfy dun sa yes or no question, there is a link in the description box para po i-type nyo ang inyong question through form and follow the instructions. Again, meron tayo for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1. All right. And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Leo. Hi, Gemini. Welcome to your reading. So this is for May the 21st to May the 23rd, no? So Gemini, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell para po ma-notify po tayo every time na tayo po ay gumagawa po ng bagong videos, no? Or nagre-release ng bagong videos. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po tayo dong kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali din sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yun. So Gemini, ah kung wala po kayong time, no, na sumali sa ating live sessions, pwede naman po din dito sa comment section sa video na ito, no. Um, as long as i-type niyo po yung question, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy, no, doon sa yes or no na sagot, and you need a bit of an explanation. So, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. You can ask me a question through form. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. So make sure to follow the instruction. We have one question, two questions, and we have a promotions, no, na 4+1. And if you also want to book a personal reading, so check nyo rin po ang description box, no? Gemini, this is a general reading, and you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So mag-start na tayo, no? Gemini. So ang nakikita ko dito is parang merong nagmamadali na bumalik sa iyo. May nagmamadaling parang gustong sabihin na, wait, may nakalimutan ako, no? Wait, meron akong gustong sabihin sa iyo, no? Parang meron kayong separations actually, no? Separations here can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, different barangay, barrio, it doesn't matter. Energetic separations, ito po yung sinasabi natin na meron nga konting away, hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? Yung mga ganyan. So parang sabi nito, gusto ko nang bumalik. No? Meron akong ipapaliwanag. Gusto kong klaruhin ang mga bagay-bagay sa ating dalawa. And I feel like this person is going to show up anytime soon kasi nakakita ko ng sense of urgency, no? Kailangan niyang magmadali. With the 7 of Pentacles, the Death card, and the 7 of Cups. So parang feeling ko meron talaga ditong misunderstanding kasi iba yung pagkakaintindi. Siguro may nakarating sa iyo, no, na parang dagdag bawas, no? Inaantay mo rin naman siya, no? Let's be honest in here, Gemini, no? Parang inaantay mo rin naman siya in a way. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na, yes, may inis ako, may konting galit, no? Pero hindi yun nangangahulugan na tapos na tayo, no? With the World card in here, I think na malilinawan po tayo doon sa kanyang ipapaliwanag. Kasi, if in case na iniisip mo na your person's doing something behind your back or, you know, sabihin natin nakikipaglandian sa iba. So, hindi po yun yung, kumbaga meron lang nakarating sa atin na hindi magandang balita, no? And in fact, I think that because of this separation, you know, yung person mo is masasabi niya sa sarili niya na ay hindi pala dapat ginagawang biro ito, no? Or dapat pala nagpapaliwanag ako agad-agad. So, I can see here that your person is going to work on the connection. And kung ayaw mo naman siya masyadong umaalis, no? Kung gusto mo lagi siya nagpapaalam. So, eto na yun, no? Ipapakita niya na at gagawin niya na ayaw niya kasing meron kayong ganitong hidwaan. So, nakikita ko gustong-gusto niya na mag-sorry. Gemini, for a few numbers of you, I think na susundin ka nito with the Empress in here, no? Gagawin niya, hindi naman sa lahat ng panahon, pero gagawin niya yung mga bagay na alam niyang ikakagalit mo, tapos magpapaalam siya, or hindi niya nagagawin. So, you catch the drift. Parang may mali dun sa aking explanation na, okay, gagawin niya yung mga bagay na hindi mo, gagawin niya yung mga bagay na gusto mo, at hindi niya gagawin yung ayaw mo. So, I think that's much clearer, no? with the Eight of Swords, tulad ng sinabi ko, kung ayaw mo siyang palabasin ng bahay, so be it, no? Doon na lang siya. Hahanap siya ng ibang paraan on how to, sabihin natin, makapag-enjoy, no? Or makapaglibang-libang. So, Gemini, this is your reading for now. Uh, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, um, Scorpio, Pisces, no? So gems, this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. So Gemini, sa comment section po pwede kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. If you're not gonna be satisfied sa yes or no question, then there is a link in the description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your question, and then click submit. Just make sure to follow the instruction. We have 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4+1. And you may also book a personal reading. Nandun din po yung sa description box. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Gemini. Hello, Capricorn. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for May 21st to May the 23rd. No? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. No? So kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live or hindi kayo makapagtanong sa live, no? Dito po sa comment section, sa YouTube videos, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero meron po tayong options kung hindi po tayo masasatisfy, no, doon po sa yes or no question. Dito po yan sa description box. Meron po tayong form, no? You can click the link. You will be routed to my page. You can type in your questions and click submit and follow the instructions. No? So, meron po tayong good for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4+1. So that would be a total of 5 questions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dito din po yan sa ating description box. So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours, no? Magsimula na tayo, Capricorn. Capricorn. Siguro, either tinatanong mo, ano bang ginawa ko sa past life ko? Bakit meron akong ganitong mga blessings ngayon? Or, pwedeng itinatanong mo rin na, totoo bang mahal niya ako, no? Marami kasing ikaw na nakikita, no? Siguro mga crushes ito, no? Na sinasabing, nagpapakita naman siya ng motibo, pero bakit hindi niya masabi-sabi? Actually, there's a lot of things or words that your person is keeping from his heart, no? Maraming bagay na dapat siyang ipaliwanag, and isa ito yung kanyang totoong nararamdaman sa iyo. Hindi pa man niya siguro inaamin or sinasabi sa iyo na ganun kanya kamahal with the milk and honey in here. Nakikita ko na dadating din yung panahon na bigla itong sasabog, no? At bigla niyang masasabi sa inyo itong totoo niyang nararamdaman. In fact, yung iba nga sa inyo, baka nasa isip niya na ready na siyang magpakasal, or sabihin natin with the milk and honey, no, bumuo ng pamilya or dagdagan ang bata. Ayan, with the Death card, the King of Swords, and the 9 of Pentacles. So feeling ko meron ka ditong wish, meron kang request. at one point in time, feeling ko ni-reject niya. Hindi niya masyadong binibigyan ng pansin. So medyo na-hurt ka doon, no? Pero gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na narinig ka niya. No? Alam niya yung gusto mong iparating, alam niya yung gusto mong sabihin, alam niya na meron kang pangarap, no, dito sa relasyon ninyo. And this time, no, parang yung feeling mo na dineded na kanya, hindi po yan totoo. Naririnig ka niya kaso wala pa siyang capability that time na gawin kung ano yung mga hinihingi mo, no? Or nire-request mo sa kanya. The Star, the Five of Swords, and the World card, no? I think kung pinaglaban mo siya dati, no, paglalaban ka niya ngayon. Um, Sabihin natin, ikaw yung unang nagbigay ng motibo dito sa relasyon ninyo. Ikaw yung unang nagbigay ng abundance, kumbaga. Ikaw yung unang na-in love. So, ang nakikita ko dito, nasa same level na kayo ng intensity when it comes to your emotion. And with speaking of ipaglalaban, no, nandito na rin siya to stand on the ground para sabihin din sa buong mundo, no, na ready na ako dito sa taong ito. And with the Five of Swords in here, so ang nakikita ko naman is you're already weak when it comes to this person. With the World card, handa ka na ba, no? Sabi ni Miss Corina Sanchez, handa na ba kayo? Kasi siya handang-handa na para bumuo ng isang, sabihin natin, relasyon na napaka-seryoso, no? And for long-lasting. Ayan. So Capricorn, this is your reading for now. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo, no? What I am seeing here is Aquarius. I am also seeing, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Taurus, I'm also seeing Scorpio, no? So this is your reading for now. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And pwede po kayong sumali sa live sections, no? Kung hindi nyo po matsyempohan dito po sa video na ito sa YouTube, you can drop your yes or no question, no? So kung hindi naman po, no, na masasatisfy kayo sa yes or no, hindi kayo masasatisfy doon sa yes or no na sagot, may form, no? Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your questions, click submit, follow the instructions, may mga QR codes po doon, no? We have good for one question, two questions, and we have a promotion. If you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yun sa kabilang, sa link, no? Just follow the instructions. So again, this is your reading for now. Love and light. Namaste po. See you sa inyo. See you sa susunod, no? Capricorn. Goodbye. Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Cancer, May 21st to May the 23rd, no? Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash nyo po yung like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. So Cancer, no? Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun din po yun sa kabilang channel. And kung gusto nyo po, no, na magtanong, no? Pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo po na hindi kayo masasatisfy, no, dito sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link, no, yung question form. So all you need to do is to click the link, you will be routed to my page. You will see a form. Doon niyo po itatype yung inyong question. Then click submit and then follow the instructions. So we have form for one question, two questions, and we have a promotion of 4 questions plus one. No? So, ayan. If you also want to book a personal reading, din, dun din po yun sa kabilang channel. No? I mean, sa question form. Mayroong link, no? Doon sa description box. Ayan. Cancer, this is general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading and you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So Cancer, magsimula na tayo, no? Parang merong push sa inyo na sinasabi nyo na kailangan ko nang bumitaw, kailangan ko nang mag-move forward, kailangan ko na rin ipagpatuloy ang buhay, no? At least for now, no? Yun yata yung inyong sitwasyon na sanang sinasabi ninyo kahit meron kaming mga pinagsamahan, kahit meron kaming mga nabuong mga pangarap, I think I should be kind of prioritize myself for now, no? Four of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Eight of Cups. So hindi rin madali sa'yo, Cancer, ang gagawin mo pag-move forward, no? Kasi with the Eight of Cups, mahal mo pa rin naman, no? Nandun pa rin yung pag-ibig, pero hindi na talaga din muna, no? Hindi natin ipupush. For a few numbers of you, baka nandito kayo sa third-party situation, no? Na parang, sige, ako na yung magpaparaya, no? And for a few numbers of you na wala naman sa third-party situation, napagod tayo na sobra-sobra, no? With the Ten of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Kasi parang feeling ko dito merong mga pinangako na hindi naman natupad. Merong mga pinangako na parang feeling mo iba yung priority, no? Parang naiitsapuera tayo, hindi tayo yung masyadong pinapansin o nabibigyan ng pansin, masyadong busy siya sa mga ibang bagay. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng ang reklamo na magaling siya sa ibang tao pero sa akin hindi, no? With the Empress, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, mas fino-focus mo ang sarili mo sa trabaho. I think na nagkakaroon ka naman ng mga rewards, promotion, no? The outer layer, successful tayo, no? Sa outer layer, people see us smile. Sa outer layer, nakikita, no, kumbaga, yung mga ibang tao nakikita na we're okay. Pero deep inside, sugatan ng ating puso. Dahil sa tao na, let's say, past, sa tao na tinuturing na nating ex, no? Cancer, nakakakita naman ako dito na there are options for you that you need to move forward. Itong reading na ito is para sa mga Cancer na or Cancerians, no? Na gusto nang mag-move forward at tinatanong kung meron bang taong nakalaan sa kanila. Yes, meron. Pero all you need to do is heal first and not jump into a relationship, no? Huwag po natin gawing hobby ang makipagrelasyon just because of we need someone but our side, no? Huwag po natin gawing rebound ang ibang tao. Ayan. So, Cancer, tignan natin ang ex, no? Na nanakit sa iyo, no? Ng sobra-sobra. What I am seeing in here is Leo. I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, baka kapwa Cancer ito. Scorpio, no? I'm also seeing Taurus. Ayan. So this is your reading for now. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel. Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon, no? So, kung hindi nyo ma-tsempohan yung live sessions, meron din po dito, no, sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, edi dun po tayo sa form, no? Make sure na follow the instructions. So, meron po tayong good for one question, forms good for two questions, and forms for a promotion of 4+1. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun din po yun, no, sa ating um, description box. Just click the link and then we will talk about your um, private reading. Ayan. So Cancer, this is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste and see you on the next live or next reading. Goodbye. Hello Aries, so welcome to your reading and this is for May the 21st to May the 23rd. Alright, so Aries, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel which is Babaylan TV. No? Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. Nagla-live din po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, so you're very much welcome to join. No? Aries, kung wala po kayong time, no, meron naman po dito sa comment section, dito sa YouTube, pwede po kayong mag-tanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Okay po. If in case na alam niyo hindi kayo masasatisfy doon sa yes or no question, meron po tayong form, no? Dito sa description box ng video na ito, no? You can click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. Ano po? And when you click submit, just follow the instructions. So meron po tayo pang isang tanong, dalawang tanong, and we have a promotion of 4+1. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun po yun sa link, no? Meron din yan sa description box. Just follow the instructions. So, Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So let's start. No? Parang sa'yo na nanahimik ka ngayon, Aries, and that is bihira, no? Kay Aries kasi si Aries is if ever, no, siya yung taong kapag meron siyang gustong ipaglaban, talagang pinaninindigan niya. Pero this time, sa'yo parang, it's not worth the fight, no? So, napaka-wise, which means, hindi yung wise na sinabi natin yung definition ng Filipino wise, ha? Kasi ang definition ng Filipino, pag sinabing wise ng iisa, di ba? Yung wise is napakatalino, kumbaga, you're choosing your fight and that is a very wise choice kasi hindi naman lahat ng laban, no? You're choosing your peace, you're choosing you're actually choosing your mental health, no? So meron ditong somewhat energetic separations if I believe dahil meron pong katulad ng sinasabi natin, argumento, no? With the High Priestess, the Seven of Cups, and the Ten of Cups in here, bakit parang feeling mo nawawala or baka feeling niya nawawala yung time mo sa kanya, no? There's something in here na parang sinasabi niya na nawawala naman ng time, ang energy, ang effort. Pero kasi, ang totoo niyan, whether this is you or your person, yung binabasahan ko, sobrang dami kasing nangyayari, no? Actually, binabalance lang ng tao na to kung ano yung dapat i-prioritize for now. It could be money, it could be the love, it could be other health, could be, no? Pero it doesn't mean na hindi ka na love, no? Ng person na ito with the Queen of Wands and the Five of Cups. Nako, ayan. Umiiral minsan ng pagiging Aries kasi minsan meron tayong mga nasasabing hindi naman talaga dapat, no? kumbaga yung ilang beses na 'to nangyayari sa Aries, no? Me and my big mouth, no? Nauna muna ang talak bago ang tingnan ang sitwasyon, no? With the Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Hierophant. So, I feel like hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na napaka-shallow, no? Ng inisan or ng galit na ito. Kasi ang nakikita ko is wala tayo sa sitwasyon para sabihin, mababaw lang yan. Pero may nakikita ko, manghihingi naman siya ng sorry because of, how they made you feel. Babalik uli ang saya, babalik uli itong sabihin natin, I'm seeing here wish fulfillment, no? Ah, kasi parang sa ngayon, no, madaming inaayos, sobrang busy lang. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, madami din tayong pwedeng gawin para sabihin natin na you are with them, no, by their side. Napakaganda kasi meron dito makaka-realize na, oo nga, nagkulang ako. No, marirealize niyang nagkulang siya at hihingi naman siya ng sorry. I'm seeing here, kung ano man yung pinangako niya sa'yo, gagawin naman niya yun, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. It could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Pisces, I am seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Leo, no? So this is your reading, Aries. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. And if you also want to join our live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung gusto niyo yung dalawang reading, sa kabilang channel din po, no? Aries, pwede kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi talaga kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box, no, may form po tayo. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. If you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So, love and light. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. Hello Aquarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for May 21st to May the 23rd. So Aquarius, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell, no, para po notify kayo every time tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. No? Aquarius, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron din po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences, no? So kung gusto niyo rin sumali sa ating live sessions, no, sa kabilang channel din po yun. Pero kung wala kayong time, pwede naman po dito sa comment section sa video na ito sa YouTube, no? As long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. If in case lang na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no at alam nyo hindi pang yes or no ang inyong tanong, no? Meron po tayong link sa description box, no? Meron po dong form. You can ask me a question through form and just follow the instruction, click the submit, no? And Aquarius, if you also want to book a personal reading, meron din po yan sa description box, no? Sa form po, meron tayong good for 1 question, 2 questions, and a promotion for 4+1, no? So Aquarius, this is a general reading, all right? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what only yours. Aquarius, magsimula na tayo. Ang nakikita ko dito, Aquarius, is parang ibinabalik natin yung mga nasirang mga bagay-bagay. Ibinabalik natin, let's say, or parang pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung taong may gusto sa'yo or mahal ka, no? One thing's for sure, hindi ko kayang mawala si Aquarius. or hindi ko kayang mawala ang taong mahal ko. Sabi din ni Aquarius, kahit gaano kahirap, no? Pwedeng ipinaglalaban nyo, nasira kayo because of other people, no? Pero kayong dalawa, deep inside, gusto nyo talagang sabihin natin, ayusin. Um, Sabihin natin, huwag masyadong um, damdamin, no? Masakit, yes, ang mga nangyari, pero mas siguro mas kailangan i-accept na nangyari na, so humanap tayo ng mga solusyon, no? One thing's for sure, ang nakikita ko dito parang gusto nyo na maging maayos uli ang inyong relasyon, no? Aquarius with the Two of Swords, so nakakita talaga ako ng separations between the two of you. So separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different barrio, barangay, city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Or energetic separation, yung hindi nga nag-uusap, hindi na pag-uusapan, pwedeng merong naka-block, no? Ace of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, Aquarius, yung isa, ready naman na makipagbate, no? Pero kasi ang tanong ng isa, totoo ba yan paghingi mo ng tawad? Totoo ba yung paghingi mo ng second chance, no? Kung yun po ang tanong ninyo, ang makikita ko dito is sobrang seryoso naman po. Clarifying the Two of Swords, the Moon card, and the Temperance. Actually, ang tanong din ng person mo, Aquarius, ano bang nagawa ko? So parang hindi pa malinaw sa kanya kung bakit nandito kayo sa situation na kailangan magkahiwalay kayo, no? With the Ten of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. So, Aquarius, hindi kanya hahayaan na basta lang mawala sa buhay niya or i-end itong relationship, no? Malaki dito ang I wanted to, with the Four of Pentacles, keep this connection with you, clarifying the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So, kahit galit ka, no? Kahit ito yung gusto mo, give me a chance to explain and make things right. Yun yung sinasabi ng person mo. Kasi hindi kanya kayang mawala sa kanya, no? Aquarius, this is your reading for now, alright? Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. What I am seeing here is Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo. So yan, no? Yan ang iyong reading for now, Aquarius. And for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? Kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, kabilang channel din po yun. So Aquarius, pwede kayo magtanong ha, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Or might as well click the link para po doon sa mga questions through forms. Tignan po natin ang instructions. So merong 1 question, 2 questions, and a promo of 4+1. So bali in total of 5 questions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, there's also a link in the description box. So love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Aquarius.